Last thing that I want to show, and maybe if I will have 1 minute, I will show you about the support, but it's really important for me, the orders. The order section is very advanced and nice. Why? Because not only that you can see all of your orders from all of your marketplace, from all of your channels, you can pack also, generate packing slips. It's pretty useful if you pack it yourself. I don't know if you have your own suppliers or not, it depends, but you can create packing slips. And once they are done, so here you can click and then like download the packing slip and you get a packing slip of the item. Very nice. This is just an example of an engine, and you can pack it and use it right away. Very useful. But also, you can ship your order. Let's say you want to ship your items directly. It's possible. You can use our built-in integration with Ship Engine. Very easy. And it's nice because the rates usually are lower. The prices are pre-negotiated, so you can find different deals. I don't know where are you shipping from, so it depends on you, but it's possible. Again, it's demo account. I think this is why it's not loading. I don't have tokens, but you will have to trust me on this one. And if not, try for yourself. But this is a great thing. You can do many actions in the order. You can, first of all, you can add and change the tracking number if you need. If you have a CSV file of many tracking numbers, you can do it as well. You can search the conversation with the buyer to speak with them, issue a refund with any reason that you need or think of. You can cancel orders when it's eBay order. You can go again, and then you can cancel the order if it's still available. Let me see. No, it's because it's shipped. I cannot cancel it. So you can refund the buyer, and you can also see all the tracking information, including the buyer notes. Okay, it's very important. You can see full indication is shipped, it's paid, it's waiting for you, it's refunded. It's really important to have a full understanding of all of your business in once. And this is the order section. Now, in the order section, it's individual for each of you about your suppliers. I don't know the workflow, but this is my information about it. The last thing that I just want to mention, that in every section in 3Dsellers, what you can do, you can create segments. Segments is like filters, predefined filters. Let's say you want to see only orders from in specific status. So let's say return only orders return status. So I want everything that is return escalated that was going to the support. I don't think I have it here. So it's going to filter, and you can save it as a segment, call it turns, and it's going to be saved as a preset for you. Very easy to manage a lot of orders, and team also if you have a team. In terms of automation, you can do different automation to tag orders, is especially useful for more team. For example, when order is canceled, you want to send immediately email to yourself or immediately email to your supplier. You can edit the supplier list and add it to the supplier. Or for example, when you order received and paid, you want to tag the order as please ship, and then to trigger another automation. It's possible to do it more advanced, but possible for advanced users.